mold so the lollipops won't stick. Put them in the data, put them in the data, put them in the data, freeze. Now, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking a piece of paper towel and wiping your clothes of oil because you don't want too much oil in it. It's not going to turn out that good. So leave a thin coat of oil and not too much. Now put the lollipop sticks into the mold. Now we're going to combine the sugar, corn syrup, and water, and we're going to put it into the saucepan. And make sure that it's over medium-high heat. It's 3 layers. Look from here. Look. Sugar, and then, oh my God! Stir until the sugar dissolves. Once you have stirred till it dissolves, you can use a wet pastry brush to wipe down the extra sugar remaining on the sides of the pan. Once the mixture is boiling, insert the candy thermometer. Allow the mixture to boil without stirring it until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This is called the hard crack stage. Remove saucepan from heat.
Now we're making lollipops. Haven't had them in a while. They will make you smile. So we're making lollipops. We're never gonna stop. We just wanna make some candy. It'll taste so dandy. So we're making lollipops.
Pour strawberry extract in. First 1 teaspoon, then half of 1 teaspoon. And then you put some food coloring in here. Blend the candy into the mold cavities. The lollipops, we couldn't wait for them to cool, so we just ate them right away. They're already molded, and we were gonna make 12, but sadly, we only made 8 lollipops because it was kind of getting too hard, the mixture to pour. We didn't pour them fast enough, but it's okay that we didn't make them perfect because we're just kids. No one's perfect. My mom and dad say I'm the perfect for them, but I'm not perfect. And guess what? They taste good anyways. They taste great. They taste awesome. They taste spectacular.
Now we're making lollipops. Haven't had them in a while. They will make you smile. So we're making lollipops. We're never gonna stop. We just wanna make some candy. It'll taste so dandy. So we're making lollipops.
Oh, and by the way, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to... What? Hit the notification bell, subscribe, and subscribe. Oh my God. Okay, so for today's video, we're going to need 1 mold lollipop. 1 mold lollipop. It's supposed to be 1 lollipop. Oh my God. We're also going to need this spatula. Oh my God, I said spatula. Spatula. This is a thermometer. We'll be using blawberry. Blawberry is supposed to say strawberry. Let's do this. So satisfying. This is disturbing to say, but why does it feel like throw up? It looks like the school applesauce.